Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Images and cite Google Images in Noodle Tools. The reason I'm looking at Google Images is on occasion, Britannica Images just does not work, and therefore you'll need to switch over to and use Google Images. First things though, is that you need to look at the Tools section toward the top and look at Usage Rights and click Labeled for Non-Commercial Reuse. What that does is it gives you permission to use the images and post them, for example, to perhaps a website that you're creating. So now I'm going to find an image, and I like this little therapy dog right here. And as I see this image over on my right, I need to go beyond just looking at it, and I need to click in it and find exactly where the image is located. So it's listed on a website, and here's the image. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to Noodle Tools, and I'm going to choose New Source. And looking at my choices up here, you don't see image. The reason is you're looking at where the image originated. Where is it sitting? And the image is sitting on a website. Then you click Photo or Image Born Digital. After you click that, you'll see that you have to fill in some of the boxes. So the first thing says the name of the container website, and that is Joint Base San Antonio. So you're going to have to bear with me while I type that in. And then you also need to go and look at the publisher of the site. And usually that is sitting at the bottom. It's probably the same thing. Actually, it's usa.gov right here. See that? So I'm going to go back up. I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab the URL for that image. What that allows us to do is see exactly where you got this image from. Now, let's see if there's a date of publication. Oftentimes for government sources, there is not, but I did notice there's a little article up here. So let's go up to the top. And yes, this was published by Wayne Amon, Public Affairs on April 16, 2014. So we have to give that date credit. Recent date of access, just hit the Today button. And now they're talking to you about the photo. Now, here's what we don't know. We see that this man has written the article, but we do not know. This is awesome. It says photo by Sergeant Robert Williams. So what we're going to do is we're going to put Robert Williams' name in under the photographer. Great. A lot of times that does not happen, but today, just remember that you need to look under the image and see the name of the photographer. His name is there. All right. It's a photograph. Let's look and see if there is an exact title. It has a long description, so we're just going to put Lily English Labrador Retriever. We're going to make up a title. And then if you see over on the right, I'm going to click it was untitled. The date created, we don't know. I'm pretty sure we don't know. Let's double check that. So we're going to leave that blank, even though the site was listed that we gave the date for that. You do not need to annotate, meaning describe this image. And so now you have filled in Noodle Tools and you click Save. Now you can tell that you've cited an image, you've given credit to the photographer, and you've explained where the site is. Thanks so much for listening.